Hi everybody, I'm Sara and I'm a third year student studying graphic design, and today I'm gonna present my final major project for you. So the brief for this project was to create a city guide company, and then I would select one city that I would specifically design for, and I chose to design for Barcelona city. So the name for my city guide is Solo, and the concept for it is based on these three different ones. So it's to travel green, to travel light, and travel solo, which I will explain a little bit more about now. So travel green is to travel more conscious. It's to choose environment-friendly stores and to support local businesses instead of supporting commercial tourists. Traveling light means to carry less, and the Solo City Guide has an application for that. And we have a city guide book which works together, so you use the application to scan from the city guide, and you only have to have the app with you, so you don't have to carry anything more, and you have the phone with you, and it's easy to access the map and the information from the city guide. And traveling solo, so it's the name for our brand, but it also describes our type of traveler very well. It's someone who is traveling by themselves. So these are our words. Geometric, colorful, playful, minimalistic, and clean describes our style very well, while friendly, curious, conscious, and optimistic describes our attitude. So this is the logo for our brand, the Solo logo, and it was inspired by the name itself, Solo, so you can spot the S, the O, the L, and the O. And it was also inspired by the globe, and these two were combined together. The idea was to create a logo that was a little bit cartoonish, to have someone that you travel with. So it's connected with the concept to have a friendly style and someone to guide you while traveling solo. So this is the logo in upscale. And this is the inspiration board for the Barcelona City Guide, and it was inspired by the Catalan flag here, the red and yellow, but also by circles to create something more friendly and warm. And this is the typeface that I use for the city guides. I use this typeface that has soft shapes, once again to connect it with a friendly style and a warm style, and then to work with the concept, yeah. And these are the colors that I worked with, so it's red and yellow, like I said, inspired by the Catalan flag. But I also had some shades between the colors, like you can see here, to have some more colors to work with. And these are the colors for the company Solo City Guide. So this is the cooperative colors, and it's blue, which is the primary color, inspired by the sea, and it's green, the secondary color, inspired by the greenness. And this is the stationery for the Solo company. So you can see the circles, which is a strong part of the brand identity, and the blue and green. And here you can see the merchandise for the Solo City Guide in Barcelona. So it has the same style with the circles, but uses red and yellow because it's for Barcelona. And notebooks for writing down your adventure. And then we have the stand for Barcelona. So this is the stand that would be in Barcelona airport when you come there and you arrive, and travelers will see this and they can find out more about the city guide. And this is what the the staff would wear, this type of t-shirt, so you would know they're working there. And here are some more examples. So you have the Barcelona stand, and then you have for Berlin, so it goes in black and yellow instead, but it has the same brand identity style with the circles. And then we have for Amsterdam here in orange for the city when you arrive to the airport in Amsterdam. And these are the posters for the different cities, so it has the same style each city. So Barcelona in red, Berlin in black, and then Amsterdam in orange. And this would be at train stations and airports in the city where travelers usually are when they're moving. And you can see the QR scan, which you can scan with your phone, and it will lead you to the application, which you can download, and you can download this city guide application. And this is an example of what it could look like. And these are the covers for the city guide book. And as you can see, all of them have their own color, which represents the city. We will look more into Barcelona, since that's the city that I selected. So this is the cover for Barcelona. And when you open the book, you will see the table of contents. And it will also show the symbols or icons that we use. So it's shopping, hotel, restaurant and cafe, and ice cream shops, and coffee shops, and bike rental to easily find each thing in the city guide. And this is the map that you can see in the city guide book. So the city is divided in 5 sectors to easily find where the different stores and places you can visit. So you can see that the page number here, here, and here. And this is what it looks like inside. So you have the area here with the numbers, and then you see the icon, for example, shopping. You can scan the QR here with the application, and you have the information about the place. Some famous monuments are also included if you want to visit them as well. This is the application for Solo City Guide. So we have the company color here, blue and green, and then the color here for Barcelona when you visit Barcelona. So when you open the app, you can choose to scan something, for example here, and then you will end up with a map, and you can see where to go, and it will automatically be saved in your favorites. You can also choose to go directly from favorites, and you will see this screen. So now I'll show you what it looks like in action. Can you please start the video? So you can scan, and then you can start, and you can zoom in, and you see it's saved in favorites, and you have a search button. You can also scan something new, and then go back to homepage, which is the map. And then you have the account, and you can log out if you want to. Then we have the website. So the website works mainly as a product gallery to show which city guides that we offer, for example, and I will show you what it looks like in action here as well. So you can go to City Guides and About Us for more information. Get the app and download the application. Contact us if you have any questions. And go to City Guides. We will explore Barcelona. And you can scroll down and have some information. You can add it to the cart. And then you will see it's added. And then you can go to the logo and you're back again to the home page. Lastly, I would like to show you the promotional video, and it would also be shown at airports and train stations for airports, and the idea is to get an overview how the city guide works. Thank you for listening to my presentation.